Students of Jiribam Higher Secondary School staged a sit-in protest in front of the school today, calling for immediate action against teachers who have not yet joined the school after the recruitment of 6 additional staff members. Speaking during the protest, Secretary of the JSH School Students Union for Games and Sports, Leishangthem Bobby, expressed frustration over the Education Minister's inaction despite the memorandum submitted through the Jiribam District Commissioner on September 6, requesting the transfer of necessary teachers. He highlighted that chemistry teacher Mohammad Saukat Ali, who was transferred from Lilong Higher Secondary School on July 25th, has yet to report for duty. Bobby urged the relevant authorities to address these issues at the earliest and warned that the school will be forced to shut down if the required teachers are not transferred and present by October 16. The protesters also held placards demanding the transfer of the required teachers and accountability for those neglecting their responsibilities.
However, September ki tang taruk ta Jiribam districtki khutang da memorandum amma Minister of Education da oja taruk ki mathak ta athuba matam da hapu loina na Lilong Higher Secondary dagi chemistry ki oja MD Saukat Ali July 25 ta Jiribam Higher Secondary School transfer order thokhaba matung athuba matam da join tawina ba haijara phawda hojik phawba join tawdana laiba si mari leinaba singna miyeng changhan biu